If you're experiencing issues with Valorant updates getting stuck, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and get back to playing quickly. Step 1. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can fix various issues. Close Valorant and any related applications, then restart your computer to refresh the system. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Disconnect and reconnect to your network, or try using a wired connection if you're on Wi-Fi to improve stability. Step 3. Run Valorant as administrator. Right-click on the Valorant shortcut and select Run as administrator. This can help the game access necessary files and permissions that may be causing the update to stall. Step 4. Clear the Vanguard and Valorant cache. Navigate to the right games folder on your computer, find the Vanguard and Valorant cache files, and delete them. This can help resolve any corrupted files that might be causing the update issue. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If all else fails, uninstall Valorant completely and then reinstall it. This ensures that you have the latest version and all necessary files are correctly installed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with Valorant updates getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance. Happy gaming!